Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to edit group on AOL Mail. Editing a group in AOL Mail involves modifying its name or members list. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Make sure to log into mail.aol.com and enter your credentials. After you're inside the main homepage, click on the contacts list from the left-hand side menu. Now, click on the list option at the top and click on Edit List. You will now be able to change the name of your list, add more contacts on your list, simply enter the username or simply enter the contact name. Simply search for a contact's name or email address in the text box. After you are done entering the contact's email or the name, you will then be able to add the contact on the group. After you are done with the contact, click on Save. If you want to delete a list, simply go ahead and click on Delete List option from the menu. So that is how you will be able to edit your group on AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.